Hello everyone, my name is Mikrotik Cisco. I'm from TRKJD. In here, I want to show you about how to download GNS3 and config the Mikrotik and Cisco add to the GNS3. First step, you're gonna to download the GNS3 in here. You gonna in here I ask the OS is Windows, and you download the Windows and you in here, but in here I was download that. Wait, wait here. Where's the in here? Wanna download that, and you're gonna to run in. Okay, next, 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 next is default, and brush maybe in destination gonna make in T in here, maybe okay, click OK, and next waiting that maybe okay here, but in waiting that you're gonna to install the VM GNS3 VM for the server. In here I want to gonna to the virtual box, download that, but in here I was download that in this file, you can see that, and you add that in VirtualBox. Okay, waiting the GNS3. In here was one complete. Download this for putty. Click next in here. This no, and start finish the GNS3. You're gonna to go in here. Oh yeah. The file. Oh yeah. But in your one download that I forget that you must log in and sign in GNS3's web, and that after that you gonna to download the software. Okay, in here you're gonna to make a new project. Maybe we add the name is IDN project 1, maybe local was here, maybe gonna ask in here. Okay, click OK, and in here after it you go in Oracle VirtualBox. I'm gonna ask the Oracle VirtualBox and click import and add the file in here. The file, the download for this for virtual machine to the server. Okay, finish that. Waiting, importing in here. Wait. Maybe it's too long. Be waiting that. Why we choose the virtual machine on GNS3? Because it's virtual machine, it's a server to GNS3, and maybe click start in here. Processing. Okay, we're waiting that. Okay, change the network setting here. In host, here host is this host maybe. Okay, waiting that here virtual box. Okay, wait, can see that. Because it's waiting that, we gonna to download the software, the Mikrotik in here, maybe Mikrotik return wireless. Download the software. Gonna download to the clouds hosted router in here. Download the raw image. Add the download here. Waiting that. It's too long. Okay, in here the server is running. Okay, gonna check in because it in my GNS3 not show the configure of GNS3 VM. We're gonna to check in here. Make virtual engine is a virtual box and waiting. And okay, in here we got the virtual machine. In here maybe want to fetch login and what here we're gonna do GPUs is 4 and RAM is to maybe 4. Okay, apply. Wait, and okay. Here, check again the download. Okay, we waiting that the file. This what is okay, it's finished. We're gonna check in here. We extract the okay, extract and we get in here CRP for the Mikrotik, and I was download the for Cisco in here is this name, this CV7. You're gonna to download in here the term Mikrotik and load and download in here. You're gonna get the download this file in here. Okay, after that check again. Okay, and here the server is okay, good, and VM is good, and we're gonna to add the Mikrotik. Here I was have a Mikrotik, but I want a tutorial to you how to add the Mikrotik in here, and after that and this name maybe Mikrotik tick next. Okay, next you want to telnet maybe next again. This image you browse that you go the file not here. Gonna to D and download and charge 7. Where's it? Here got it. Okay, this file waiting that maybe so long. Okay, and finish. And here it was edit this for the view maybe 2 for the plus maybe, and the RAM you're gonna to add maybe not add in adapter you easy to maybe you want what do you want. I this in 10 in here in the adapter. Okay, no setting here maybe. Okay, we click next. Okay, here Oh yeah, we're gonna to add the symbol. Yeah. After that, go to the symbol selection, classic maybe. See, insert the router here. This we got that. Okay, click OK, apply, and okay. And here we got the Mikrotik in here. Maybe, and we add the Cisco in Dynamics, the Dynamics in OS router. We delete in here, renew, run in router of GNS3 VM, ISO image, this ISO. Okay, waiting. Okay, we click next. Here is name, next, maybe default that, next, again, next, and this. An ideal PC value necessary to prevent IOs to assert 100% of your processor of one its core. The ideal PC filter to not your CPU gonna to 100% power. Waiting that. Okay, just waiting now. Okay, this is complete. Okay, you can finish that after that. Maybe you want to to, to add some, but since you're not have more setting, and click OK, apply and OK. And we're gonna to check, and here you got the Cisco in here. Cisco and this Mikrotik. Okay, now we're gonna to add the VM and two is okay, right here we test what is function or not. Okay, third one. Okay, running all. Okay, close. Maybe wait. Here we just waiting. Maybe gonna waiting. Okay, we check the Cisco in here. Okay, it's running. Here we just gonna do waiting the Mikrotik, but in Cisco it's running. Sorry, it's running, and we're gonna to ask it. eh, mm, you can check the PC1 in here, and PC2 in here. This command. Oh, Mikrotik login is so long. Maybe it's long and long waiting. Maybe in this video I'm gonna to show that. And thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.